A is for airplane, airplane, soaring through the sky. B is for beam-man, beam-man, flying way up high. C is for chopper, chopper, spinning round and round. D is for drone, drone, buzzing over town. K is for echo-jet, echo-jet, fast and sleek. I is for fighter jet, fighter jet with a supersonic streak. D is for glider, jet, glider, floating in the air. H is for helicopter, a helicopter looking straight away. I is for interstellar ship, interstellar ship, traveling far away. J is for jumbo jet, jumbo jet, carrying people far. K is for kite, kite, flying like a star. L is for light aircraft, light aircraft, small and bright. M is for monoplane, monoplane with wings so light. N is for NASA rocket, NASA rocket blasting into space. O is for orbiter, orbiter, circling all around. P is for paraglider, paraglider, floating safe and sound. Q is for quadcopter, Q, quadcopter with 4 blades to fly. R is for rocket, rocket, zooming through the sky. S is for seaplane, seaplane, landing on the sea. T is for turbojet, turbojet, flying fast and free. U is for ultralight, ultralight, gliding with ease. V is for VTO jet, VTO jet, taking off.